Let's make a miniature bakery for the dolls. I started with the box and then I cut off one side, and over here I added a strip of cardboard so that it would be a diagonal piece that would add a little bit of architecture. And I also traced out around where I want things to go. I cut out the window here that I want to put clear plastic behind. I start by taking some pieces of cardstock and laying it on top of the raw cardboard seams. Then I cover the other seams with paper. Then I just glue paper on top. Now I'm going to cut out little pieces of cardstock or paperboard and glue them on so that it can be bricks. Once I've glued them on the whole thing, I'm going to use white paint to make them look whitewashed bricks, and I'm using a lot so that it will blend in between the cracks. Now I have a realistic texture of bricks. This took like a whole week just to do. Now I'm going to move on to the floor. I want to do popsicle stick floor so that it'll be real wood. I'm going to glue them on, interlocking like this, and just keep going across the whole floor. I also added some baseboards using foam board. I also added a clear plastic window behind here to finish the basic room. I'm going to make a stand for the baked goods. I cut out a sort of U-shaped piece of cardboard, and I also glue pieces onto the sides. I also glue a piece into here, and I'm going to glue foam board or cardboard on the sides so that it can section it off. I'm going to cover this with paper, and then cover the top with paper or cardboard as well. And I add some clear plastic and did the brick texture. I also added a shelf in the middle and clear plastic on the front so it can be a display case window. I made a clear plastic shelf for a display case. I also have this cash register that I'm going to put here. I'm going to add more food later because I don't want it to all fall out while I make other things. Over here I'm going to make a little bar counter stool thing. I also want to make a logo, so I print it out and then I glue it onto multiple layers of poster board. I made a little countertop with a piece of foam board covered with popsicle sticks on the top and on the sides. I added supports underneath. I also made a menu by printing out a menu I made and framing it with popsicle sticks. And the lights can turn on because I made some hoods. Now I'm going to make some stools. I start by cutting out a piece of paperboard and cutting out a circle. Then I'm going to take another piece and I'm going to wrap it around the edge, going all the way around like this, and just glue it on. I glued some wood dowels underneath, make two, to make some stools. Now I'm going to add all the food inside the display case so it's actually a bakery. I added the sign over here, and then some sugar and a cookie on the table. Here's a little box with cinnamon buns, and I think that about completes the bakery. Now let's just see what Kim thinks this is going to be her bakery. I love it. It's perfect. I also thought it was pretty successful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. Bye! Hi, welcome to Kim's Bakery. Heya! Icicle. I'll take 3 of those cupcakes, that angel food cake, 4 of these cupcakes, and these heart cakes, please. Okay, that'll be $40.25. No, I'm your friend. I get whatever I want for free. No. You can have 1 slice of cake for free. What? An entire cake! 1 cookie. 5 cookies! 1 cookie, Icicle. 3! Okay, half a cookie that fell on the floor. Ridiculous! Oh, here. Is this Magna's Icicle? I would never! Thanks, Kim. See you later. I never said I didn't steal it. It was Stormer's.